Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will give you a comprehensive introduction to the features, operating procedures, and practical applications of the dispensing machine used in the GOB module production line. If you are interested in the manufacturing process of LED GOB display modules, please visit our website for more information or contact us at www.jhims.com. Next, we will introduce the practical operation and application of the dispensing machine. To prevent safety hazards, it is strictly prohibited to place any part of the body inside the machine during operation. If operation or maintenance is required, please press the emergency stop or stop button first, and only proceed after the machine has come to a complete stop. This dispenser uses a voltage of 220 volts. The black one is the power cord and next to it is the intake pipe. This barometer is all adjusted and does not need to be debugged. Air pressure is 0.7 megapascal. This is the air pressure value required by the machine. We opened the installation door cover behind the machine. If we need to change the glue or open the pressure valve, we need to remove the internal air pressure first. This is the vent valve switch. If you need to open the pressure valve to replace the adhesive, be sure to release the internal air pressure first. Only open the valve after confirming that the system is completely depressurized. This pressure valve now has air pressure inside. We are now releasing the air pressure inside. Lift the switch up. This barometer is starting to drop. The switch is lifted up to represent deflation. Release the air pressure inside the pressure valve. To lift up is to release the air pressure, and to press down is to increase the air pressure of the pressure valve. Now the pressure on the barometer is gradually increasing. If you need to open the pressure valve to replace the glue, be sure to release the internal air pressure before opening the pressure valve. This is to open the pressure valve switch, and the air pressure must be released to open it. Let's check the barometer to see if there is any air pressure inside the pressure valve. Lift it up and the air pressure inside the pressure valve will be released, which is very important. After all the air pressure inside the pressure valve is released, we can replace the glue. When the barometer has reached 0, we can turn on the switch. Open the pressure valve safety switch here. Open by rotating the handle. This is also the air pressure release switch. Because we have just released the air pressure inside, there is no air pressure inside. Then we open this pressure cap. Open, safety cover. This red sealing ring must be paved to seal. If the sealing ring is not placed properly, air will leak. When we locked the safety cover, we checked for air leaks. This is the silicone bucket, and now there is still silicone in it. We directly align the barrel mouth with the pressure valve interface, and then lock the pressure cover. The outlet of our rubber barrel can be directly aligned with the interface. If you need to replace the drum, like this, open the lid. This is an expired glue and cannot be used. This is the glue outlet of the rubber barrel. After we open it, align the glue outlet with the position of the pressure valve interface. Align with the lower pressure valve interface position, and then lock the pressure cover to ensure that the pressure cover will not leak. If there is an air leakage problem, it means that the red sealing ring is not placed properly. Therefore, when locking the safety cover, we must first check whether the sealing ring is properly placed. Check that the sealing ring is properly placed. After the red sealing ring is placed, lock the screw safety cover. After covering it, be sure to see if this sealing ring is flattened. Check whether the sealing ring is pressed well and whether there is deformation and bending. If the sealing ring is not pressed properly, we need to reinstall the sealing ring. If there is no problem, the safety cover can be locked. Here is a gasket that is placed over the safety cover. Check if the sealing ring is pressed properly. No problem, then tighten the lock. If the sealing ring is not placed properly, it will leak. Then tighten the lock. Next, we press the switch to inflate the pressure valve and check for leaks. Press the switch. If there is always a problem of air leakage, we need to reinstall the sealing ring. We have an air leak problem now. We first lift the switch upward to release the air pressure inside the pressure valve, and then reinstall the sealing ring. We check whether the barometer reaches zero value, and only when it reaches zero value can we open the safety cover. We need to reinstall this red seal. Okay, let's continue to turn on the air pressure switch and check if the pressure valve is leaking. Okay, there is no air leak now. The air pressure on this barometer has always been stable at this position. Now this barometer value stabilizes here. Down is to increase air pressure, up is to release air pressure. When replacing the glue or opening the pressure valve, these are the precautions.